If your best employee called out sick tomorrow, would your business still run smoothly? Or would everything quietly start falling apart because half of what that person knows lives in their head, their notepad, or on a sticky note stuck to their monitor? That's the real definition of digital transformation. Not some massive expensive tech overhaul, not a team of consultants billing you $400 an hour to install software nobody ends up using. It's simply getting the important stuff, the client details, the processes, the institutional knowledge out of people's heads and into a system your whole team can actually use. Let me give you an example that stuck with me. A remodeling company had a first meeting with a homeowner. She mentions she'd love having a reading nook for her kids in the new space. The salesperson thinks it's a great idea, writes it down on his notepad, and life moves on. Months later, the installation crew shows up. Great crew, professional, they do excellent work, but they have no idea that conversation ever happened. To the homeowner, it feels like nobody was listening. Now flip it. What if that detail got logged into the customer system the same day she mentioned it? The crew pulls up on the job, on a tablet in the morning, sees a note, brings up the reading nook during the walkthrough. She's stunned. She feels absolutely, genuinely hurt. And she tells everyone she knows. That's not artificial intelligence. It's not some futuristic robot. That's just shared information turning a decent customer experience into one people actually talk about. Here's the harder truth. In most small businesses, your best people are carrying way too much in their heads. When they're around, everything runs. When they're not, everyone seems stuck. And when they eventually leave, and they will, they take years of knowledge straight out the door with them. Digital transformation closes that gap. When processes are documented, when client history is visible to anyone on the team, when there's a shared place for the important stuff, your newer people can deliver the same quality as your veterans. And you stop being the human switchboard that every question gets routed through. The good news is you don't have to do this all at once. Most small businesses we work with, accounting firms, law firms, manufacturers, they start with one or two practical steps. Move client records somewhere everyone can see them. Document the processes that only one person currently knows how to do, and start there. If you're not sure where the gaps are in your business, reach out to us at Plus One Technology. We'll take a look and figure out where to start.